You put an ad on Craigslist to watch your infant children?
I did not. She did.
She did, and then what happened? Did you get a babysitter from Craigslist for that night?
I believe the babysitter was from Craigslist.
Are you people like nuts?
This is why I love what I do on People's Court. The county court, the small claims system, is raw justice. Very few times are there lawyers involved. It's usually just the aggrieved party and the aggriever, and they're so desperate for your guidance. It's just there's like a height of that that's very different from handling a bunch of lawyers who are fighting with each other over $1 million assets. There's just something about that was really attractive to me.
Does it occur to you what a bad idea this kind of financial enlacement with someone you're not married to is? It's a bad idea when you're married.
The fun for America and the fun for me is that in a short amount of time, I get a chance to give somebody exactly what they have richly earned and deserves. It's like the greatest joy of my life that I can sit there, I can figure it out, and I can say, oh, no, you're not going to get away with this one.
I care that you have a business dispute, and instead of handling it like everybody else has to.
I try to hear both sides very carefully. Someone will always say in the hallway, oh, she wouldn't hear me. No, I just didn't do what you wanted. I heard you. But these cases are very important, no matter if it's a dog bite or a bad perm or a landlord-tenant. These cases are all extremely important to the litigants that are in front of you. So their impression of the justice system for the rest of eternity is going to be based on how they felt things happened in the courtroom. Even if they lost, so long as they feel they were treated, fairly and they were heard out and, that they had a chance to air whatever it is their grievance was, I think they usually leave understanding.
You dated somebody a month and moved in together?
I'm doing exactly what I want to do. People ask me, well, when will you stop? When they pry my cold white knuckles off the gavel, I'll stop. And then I'll think. And I think part of that is a function of having planned my whole life so much and then taking a plunge and then seeing it go so well. I don't feel the need to move on. I really don't. I love what I do, and I will do it as long as I can do it. And when in the course of things I end up not doing it, then I'll think about what else I need to do.
No, I've known him.
You've known him what? Did you ever run his criminal background check? Because you don't know him. I have money in my wallet that's been there longer than your relationship before you moved him into your house.